Hey guys, welcome to Dog Fit. I'm just kidding. This is Train Enable. I'm Kyle. If this is your first time here, welcome. If this is not your first time here, welcome back, and thanks for continuing to show up and do the workouts. Lately, we've been doing a lot of home workouts, and today is no different. If you haven't seen the millions of other home workouts I put out, I'll link a playlist here so you can kind of get an idea of what we're doing. This is Keela. She's going to be assistant directing this film. Most of the time, she runs away as soon as I put her down, but let's see if she'll stay. Today, we're going to be doing 5 rounds, 3 minutes work, 1 minute rest in between. Okay, so first up, we're gonna do 6 burpees over our dumbbells or over some type of object. Then we're gonna do 8 single arm cleans, or we're gonna do a ground touch jump if you don't have weights. If you're like, what the hell is that? I don't know what that is. Don't worry, because I'll show you. Then to finish off that round, we're gonna do 10 single arm front squats. Very excited about that. The single arm front squat is not the end of your round, because you're just going to keep cycling through all those reps and movements as many times as you can in that 3 minute window. Then you'll rest for a minute and you're going to pick up where you left off. So the burpee over the dumbbell, exactly what it sounds like. You're going to do the burpee, then you're going to go over that dumbbell. I don't know if you guys heard that, but a whole bunch of thunder just went off here. And it was like perfectly timed with my landing. So that is our burpee over the dumbbells. Movement 2, we're gonna do 8 single arm cleans. If you have 2, you're more than welcome to use 2 dumbbells, but we're gonna be here, whoop, you'll drop underneath, okay? If you wanna go from the hang, where the weight hangs on the arm, there too, or we can do the power, where I just do a little quarter squat. Up to you. But after that, we're gonna go 10 dumbbell front squats. If you only got 1, use the 1. 2, use 2. But in place of that single arm clean, we're gonna do the ground touch jump. So touch the ground, jump, touch the ground, jump. It's kind of like a toned down version of a jump squat. If you don't have dumbbells and you can't do that front squat, we're just gonna do the normal squat, okay? So, like, comment, subscribe, work hard, have fun, don't die. Looks like we're rained on pretty good here. So I'll see you guys in our next workout.